Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup thick. Achieving a wonderfully thick and satisfying vegetable soup is easier than you might think. We'll explore several effective methods, from incorporating common kitchen staples to using natural ingredients. You'll learn how to transform your soup into a hearty, comforting meal with the perfect consistency, ensuring every spoonful is rich and flavorful. Let's dive into these simple yet powerful techniques. Starches are excellent for thickening. For a quick fix, a cornstarch slurry works wonders. Just mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with an equal amount of cold water before stirring it into your simmering soup. Flour can also be used to create a roux with butter or oil, which adds a rich flavor and body. Remember to cook the flour for a few minutes to remove any raw taste. Blending is a fantastic way to naturally thicken your soup while enhancing its flavor. Simply remove about 1/3 of your cooked vegetables, blend them until smooth, and then return the puree to the pot. An immersion blender makes this process incredibly easy, allowing you to blend directly in the pot. This technique adds a lovely creaminess and body without needing any added starches. Beyond starches and blending, several natural ingredients can thicken your soup. Cooked legumes, such as red lentils or cannellini beans, break down and add a wonderful creaminess. A small handful of rolled oats, simmered for about 10 minutes, can also absorb excess liquid. Finally, simply allowing your soup to simmer uncovered for a longer period will naturally reduce the liquid, concentrating both flavor and thickness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.